A different...
Aging.
Oh, God.
Aging out.
Nobody wants...
Having less value as you age.
Okay.
Because you are constantly being reminded not to.
Preach. Preach, brother.
That's fun. That could be a comedy.
Hilarious. Yes. What else?
Going to the gym.
I don't know. Maybe like pajama. You know what? It doesn't really. It doesn't. I don't know. We don't. He seems nice, but we are misled. He's a spy.